Good day, everyone. This is my Anthony Picodoso, and this is all about gym instructor interview. And Mr. Jonathan Tan, how did you come up with this type of activities? What motivated you?
I'm motivated because gusto ko matulungan yung lalong-lalo na yung magkaroon ng healthy, tapos ginagawa ko dahil gusto ko magkaroon ng shape yung katawan nila.
And second, what is the most challenging part as a gym instructor and muscle builder?
Challenge is yung first kasi ng pagbubuhat nila. Masakit lang sa 3 days. Masakit na yun, pero kalaunan after 3 days and a week, pagtuloy-tuloy, hindi na yun masakit. So kailangan natin i-motivate na ituloy-tuloy lang nila yung pagiging.
Third, what are your personal fitness goals?
Personal fitness goals ko yung maganda lang yung shape ng katawan ko at maging healthy ako, hindi naman yung gano'ng kalaki yung aking katawan.
Fourth, what are the problems you have encountered before, during, and after the activity?
Ang na-encounter ko yung minsan hindi natin nabibigyan ng tamang panahon yung pag-gym, kaya minsan naglalapse tayo. Kaya mahirap yung kailangan we have always time to give para sa activity na yun.
How did you balance between foods, career, and your activity?
Sa foods naman, kailangan hindi masyadong sobrang cholesterol kasi wala din silbi yung pag-gym natin kung sobra tayo sa pagkain, pero hindi dapat naman nakukulang kasi wala naman tayong lakas kapag kulang yung food na kinakain natin.
Another po, when you feel pain or discomfort, how do you manage this problem?
Kailangan motivated ka sa dapat ginagawa mong inspirasyon yung mga nakikita mong maganda na yung katawan nila sa pag-gym at saka yung maganda na yung shape at saka para maabot mo yung goal.
How is your current weight affecting your life now?
Ang weight kasi minsan kaya nababalance sa height yan. Kaya kailangan yung height mo, i-balance mo dun sa tamang weight mo para hindi ka mahirapan at saka maging maganda yung health mo.
How do you determine the best training program?
Determine the best training program. Kailangan kasi sa program mo sa pag-gym, kailangan minsan pag-upper lang, kapag lower. Pag tricep lang, pag bicep. Pag puro harap lang, pag puro back lang. Hindi pwedeng maghalo.
What are the strength or weakness or a gym instructor muscle builder during the activity?
Weakness yung minsan namomotivate ka na magbuhat ng matataas na yung timbang, pero kung minsan hindi mo pa kaya, pero kailangan talaga mag-ano ka sa mababa hanggang pataas ng pataas, huwag mong biglayin.
And the last one, what are the advice and tips you can give to those who want to try this kind of activity?
Kailangan motivation lang sa inspirasyon. Gawin nila inspirasyon yung mga nakikita nila at saka isama nila yung mamahalin nila yung ginagawa nila para magkaroon ng tamang time, dumating yung time na magawa din nila yung mga nagawa ng mga nag-gym na nakikita nilang maganda na yung shape ng katawan sa healthy sila.
Thank you for interview. This is in our presentation.
You're welcome.
Yes, Sir Jonathan Tan.
Thank you.
Thank you po.